Hey guys, today we're making very exciting cookie, which is chocolate dipped strawberry cookies. Yay! This cookie is perfect for Valentine's Day, which is coming soon, but also as a gift for like wedding or any sort of gathering or parties. So I hope you're gonna enjoy this video. Without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so first in the bowl add butter. And then add powdered sugar and salt. Add almond flour in the bowl also. And sift cake flour ahead. And today we're gonna use 2 eggs. So this is for the cookie dough and this is for the glue. But we're gonna add about the same amount of water. Okay, so set it aside. So now we're gonna mix this with the petal. Alright, so first start with low speed. And then add 1 egg and egg yolk and mix. And then we're gonna add all the cake flour. And again, start from low speed and keep mixing until they are evenly blended. I'm going to add leaf green. To create a little bit more natural color, I'm going to add a little bit of brown. And as an option, I'm going to add a little bit of matcha powder today. Just a little bit more. And dump all the dough in parchment paper. And this is freeze-dried strawberries. This is my favorite. It tastes like nice strawberry chips. So we're gonna just crush it and make a powder. Right, like this. We're gonna add about 3 tablespoons. Okay. Let's chill in the fridge. Once it's chilled completely, cut it with a heart-shaped cookie cutter. Today I used 2 sizes, which is 5 cm and 4 cm heart cookie cutters, but you can use any size you want. I dropped some egg wash in sesame seeds and let them moisten a bit so that they stick better on cookies. I could brush egg wash on cookies directly, but for a little bit better look, I did this way today. I used cherry blossom cookie cutter for the leaf for bigger strawberries, and it's optional, but I made some cuts like that with a knife to add some more detailed design. And applied some egg wash as a glue and attached them like that. For smaller strawberries, I used the smaller flour cookie cutter and attached with egg wash again. I'll leave the links of some of the ingredients or tools I used today in a description box below, so check it out later if you are interested. They're all down. I'm just gonna have to bake it, but before I bake them, I'm going to chill it completely. That way the cookie is gonna hold the shape better while it's being baked. In total, I could bake about 35cm cookies and also about 34cm cookies. I'll leave the amount of ingredients below, including the baking time and temperature, so check it out later and you can make a half batch or double batch as you like. Once the cookies are cooled, prepare the chocolate coating. Melt chocolate with hot water. Today I used 55% Kubachu chocolate, but you can use any of your favorite chocolate. Let the chocolate melt completely, and today I added oil. By adding oil, it froze better, it's easier to handle, and you can coat more thinly. And the coating will not be too crunchy once it's chilled. Sometimes, depending on where you live, you might find the chocolate called chocolate for coating at the baking store, but a lot of times it is just a dark chocolate with oil in it, basically, and you can make one at home like this. When you do this, make sure your chocolate is completely cooled down and not warm, so that the batter inside the cookies will not start melting as you do this and creating the bloom on the chocolate surface. This cookie is delicious both in room temperature and also when they are chilled. It is very buttery and lightly crunchy and matches so well with chocolate. A hint of strawberry flavor really completes this cookie in a perfect way. You can enjoy the strawberry cookies without the chocolate too, of course, and maybe box it up as a gift for your special someone. I stored a bunch of them like that in the fridge for my family to enjoy throughout weeks.
Chocolate on it.
Alright, so thank you so much for watching this video to the end. I really appreciate it. If you like this video, please let me know on the comment section below, and if you haven't yet, please subscribe for more videos like this, which is sharing how to make beautiful pastries from scratch. So keep baking and I'll see you in my next video.